With so many Yeezys making it to India as well, it is difficult to decide which one should you buy as your first or second or even third for that matter. Given the fact that each of them cost upwards of 20,000 rupees on retail and even higher on resale, you cannot simply go on buying any and every one that comes out. So today, I'm going to tell you about 2 best Yeezys that you can buy right now in India without having to pay too much over retail. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I have 2 latest releases of Yeezys right here. One of which you would have already seen on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me there yet, then do check it out. Now before we talk about why these are the best you should buy right now, let's quickly go ahead and unbox them first. Although not the very first colorways of each, but they are the first ones we got here in India. Both the Azale and the Aliens were pretty limited in quantities and hence did not make it to India, while these on the other hand were a global release. 700 V3s were very well accepted and everyone loves it. 380s, people are skeptical as everyone is used to the 350 V2s and are probably not willing to give it a shot. This is definitely going to change as more people are going to buy them and they will realize how comfortable they are and hence a must-have. Yeezys were always known for its comfort first and then its aesthetics. So it's just a matter of time before 380s become people's new favorites. I was lucky enough to get the Alvas on retail from Superkicks and the Mist I got from Cop Underdog. Now Cop Underdog, if you do not know, is a reseller based out of Bangalore who I mentioned in my video on top resellers just a few weeks back. They are one of my regulars who I deal with when it comes to buying, selling sneakers and streetwear. They also have a physical store in Bangalore and will soon be expanding to more cities as well. Now getting back to these. Both of them retail for around 20,000 and 23,000 odd rupees and are currently reselling for about 25,000 rupees plus. Now let's talk about why they are the best you can buy right now. Now black colorways in any Yeezy are always a hit and carry a high demand as it's the easiest to style and rock for even non-fashion oriented consumers. And I think 700 V3 looks really fantastic in black too. Internationally they retail for $200 and are currently reselling for upwards of about $350, which is 75% higher, and if we look at here, it's reselling at only 25% higher currently, and I haven't even added the duty aspect of it if you order from outside. While everyone wants the Azale, they have already shot up 3 times and hence are not achievable for most and in fact not even worth it at that price in my opinion. So everyone is going to jump on these sooner or later and prices will shoot up to when it becomes not so worth it. So whether you want for personal, and I highly suggest that, or for a short-term investment, now is the time to grab these. Talking about grabbing these, you can now also buy such sneakers from Cop Underdog on EMIs as well. Visit their website and check it out. Now coming to the 380 Mist. Honestly, these were my favorites since the time they were first leaked. I sold my Aliens before they could get dirtier as I wanted the Mist for my personal use. I cannot stress more on how comfortable they are, but today we are only talking about its financial aspect. So like I said, it's only a matter of time before people realize how comfy 380s are. Their value in the resale market, at least in India, is going to get higher. Also, it's time we don't compare pricing internationally, at least for Yeezys, as India is a very different market, and not just that, the resale prices will soon be different in India and not based off StockX as a standard, given the growing demand and the rising custom duties here. So, as more and more colorways start to drop in India, there will always be one subtle or neutral one out there which will stand out from the rest, and I believe these are just that. If you do not know, they are definitely inspired by the Oxford Tan 350 V1s and they are till date one of the best ones out there, even for me personally. Similar was expected of the Sesame V2s, but that shade turned out to be a lot different in hand. Also, since this is a new model altogether, not expect a plethora of shades in each of its colorways to come out. As the hype increases with widely accepted colorways, the prices of these are also going to rise, as there will be a point where these will rise above all the weird colorways and will sit just below the most hyped ones. So again, if you are looking to buy your first 380s, then do not wait for a crappy colorway or for the most hyped one, and instead get these now for around 25,000 rupees. As an investment, I wouldn't advise you on these because returns won't be as great compared to the time you might have to wait. So that's all from me for today. Do let me know in the comments if this could help you in taking a decision, and also which of the two would you buy. I use the Alvas as a daily beater and the Mist as my go-to shoe for my walks. Now before I end this video, let's pick a winner for the Jordan 1 Royal Toe giveaway. So congratulations, DM me from this account with your details and I will have them shipped to you as soon as possible. If you did not win today, then stay tuned because I might just announce another giveaway in the next video itself, as I do have something cooking. Until then, peace.